Welcome to USA Bird's Name. In today's video, we're exploring 10 incredible birds and animals found across the United States, from powerful eagles to mysterious forest creatures. This video will take you on a wild journey through nature. Stay till the end to discover the most surprising animal. 1. Bald Eagle, 031. The bald eagle is the national bird of the United States. Known for its white head and powerful wings, it can fly at great heights and spot fish from far away. 2. American Robin, 1 Bauxerus 130. This small bird is famous for its red chest. It's often seen in gardens and is known as a sign of spring. 3. Red-tailed hawk, 132. A strong predator with sharp vision, the red-tailed hawk soars high in the sky and hunts small animals on the ground. 4. Great horned owl, 20230. This owl is a night hunter. With its glowing eyes and silent flight, it's one of the most powerful birds of prey. 5. Northern cardinal, 233 bow. A bright red bird that stands out in winter. The male cardinal is especially colorful and easy to spot. 6. American alligator, 30330. Found in the southern USA, this reptile is powerful and ancient. It lives in swamps and rivers. 7. Gray wolf, 334. A smart and social animal, wolves live in packs and communicate using howls. 8. American bison, 4x430. The largest land animal in North America. Bison are strong and can run surprisingly fast. 9. Raccoon, 435 IY. A clever animal known for its mask-like face. Raccoons are very intelligent and adaptable. 10. Mountain lion, 5/530. Also called a cougar, this big cat is silent, fast, and an excellent hunter. Bonus animal, flamingo, 536 dojo. Though rare in the USA, flamingos are famous for their pink color and long legs. Conclusion, 6/7 bar. Which animal was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to USA Bird's Name for more amazing wildlife videos. See you in the next adventure.